Today I'm going to go over how to remove the tail light for a Subaru Crosstrek. This is the light that goes right here, which is the running bulb and your turn signal here. So this video will cover switching out, being able to get into the turn signal or the running bulb, as well as replacing this whole fixture. And I'll put links in the description for both sides of this light and the bulbs. Let's jump into it. For this job, all you'll need is a screwdriver. I got this, which is a Phillips head and a flat head. First, we're gonna pry off these caps. I've lost this cap, but I'll show you how to do this one. Just put it in this little slot, pry up. It'll fly out on the ground. Then once you get on that, it's gonna reveal, once you get under there, it's gonna reveal that Phillips head screwdriver, or it's a 10mm socket. You can use either. And you're just gonna pop this guy out. Now this bulb is the same for the Crosstrek or the Impreza. Both the same for the hatchback in the Impreza or the Crosstrek. So we'll pop a bolt out here and a bolt out here and jump to the next part. So the key to this is to pull straight back. So you can get a little bit of a grip here. Oh, this one came out easy, but make sure you don't pry out this way. You want to pull straight back. There is this little pressure fitting here. It can be difficult to get out. You can pry gently here, but also on this, there is a little hook, which hooks back in here. So when you're putting this back on, you got a guide. There's a hook here, and a pressure fitting here, which hold this whole side of the light on. When you flip this open, just to make it easier to work on, if you're doing a quick bulb, you don't have to do this, but if you're doing the whole fixture, depress this, pop this out, and now we've disconnected the whole light. Super easy. So the two bulbs, if you're just doing a bulb, we have our running bulb right here, which turn counterclockwise and pull. I'll put a link to this bulb in the description. We have it's a 168, and those just pull straight out. Let me show you real quick. So this, make sure you're wearing gloves. Pulls out, pulls in. Sometimes these pressure fitting bulbs do have a direction. So if you put it in the wrong direction, you might have to come back and flip it 180 degrees. So then find the right orientation here. So yep, it'll fit down and flush, and then it clicks into place. Then we also have the same procedure for the turn signal here. This is our turn signal bulb that comes out. This bulb just pulls straight out. Remember, get the orientation correct, otherwise it might not work. You might have to come back and flip it, but that just pulls straight out as well. Find the spot where it fits, turn it clockwise to pop it into place. Now the nice thing is when you buy a whole fixture like this, yeah, you can see I got this off Amazon. This is one we replaced. It got cracked. It actually came with bulbs in it, so it is super easy to fix. Not having bulbs is just nice because, or having the bulbs in the fixture just is one less step that you have to do. So we'll come over here to our connector. We'll plug that in. We will line up. I'm looking back here to see the pressure fitting. Make sure that is, let me raise up here just a little bit. You can see it line up right there. That is crucial that that lines up. Then there's also a piece here that needs to line up. And then give it a good firm push in. You'll feel it and hear it click into place. Then we're gonna take our screws here, pop them back in, and voila. That is how you do turn signal. Yeah, turn signal down here, running light, or this whole fixture on a Subaru Crosstrek or Impreza. If this was helpful, leave a thumbs up. When you're putting these guys back on, they can break. It's no big deal. It's just another layer of moisture, but you do have to line these up just right so they pop in, and it's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's got to these two clips are vertical. They point vertical. And well, we'll get that in there somehow. Maybe that goes up like that. All right, I'm going on for too long. Oh, there it goes. Got it in. All right, and our other bolt goes on down here. You don't have to make these super tight. Just, you know, get it to snug and then go a half turn, and that should do it. If this was helpful, thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.